The first exercise of many, splitting a check. These four amigos right here went out for brunch, and we have inputted all of the items that everybody ordered on the receipt and all of the prices. We've also inputted who ate what, because these four friends eat fairly, and they only charge you if you actually ate the food. So what they're going to do is we want to split it based on if it has a 1, and if you're the only person that has a 1, you pay the full price. If many people have 1s next to one item, this item is split amongst all of the 1s. So for instance, there's 3 1s here, so each one of these people should pay $5. If you had trouble understanding this problem and you think you know it a little bit better now, then you can go and pause this now and try it again for yourself. Otherwise, I'm going to show you the solution right now. Okay, so I have 2 solutions for this. I have the main solution and the alternate solution, both of which work. The first thing I'm going to do for the main solution, I'm going to get the split price for all of these items. That means if you ate, you pay. So I'm dividing the total price by the sum of how many people actually ate. So one person ate, so the split price for this is $4. If I had to go down here and drag it down, the split price for this is $5 because this is 15 total and 3 people ate. And that is going to help us when we use a conditional aggregation for the price down here. So notice we can sum if. I'm going to go and I'm going to select the range for John, because this is John's, it doesn't say here, it's covered up by the formula, but if John ate, then we want him to pay, and the criteria we're looking for is if there is a 1 in the field, then he is going to have the corresponding split price. And it appears here that John ate $27 worth of food, because he had 1 of each of these, as well as this and this, which down here indicates that he ate $27 worth of food. So it's looking like it's working. I'm gonna go, I probably have to drag these formulas across. Here's Anya's range, here's Zachary's range, and here's Belle's range. And if you do Alt equals, it auto sums. That way you just don't have to write a formula. It's just a quick, easy hotkey. And that totals $106 split among them. If we had to do that same thing right here, Alt equals $106. So the totals are coming out. So that looks like it's correct. Now if I had to show you the alternate solution, drag that up there. Instead of doing a split price, I'm just going to do an average for each of these 1s, and then I'm just going to add them, and I'm not going to use a conditional sum if. So I'll start off this and average. And now I'm simply going to say, if this is blank, if this is equal to blank, then 0. You don't have to pay anything. Otherwise, split price. And I'm going to lock in the column so that I can drag this across. That's a fairly simple way to do it. If I go all the way down here, drag all the formulas. There, now we don't have 1s next to everybody, we now have numbers. Go ahead and make this a different color. Alright, now for the alternate solution. All we need to do is add up everybody's column. Sum, this category right there, 27. And we can drag that down. And just move it over for each one. Zachary, Belle. And look at that, we've got the same answer for each one of them. And I assume the total is going to come out the same since each one of these is the same. Yes, it adds up to the same thing. So that's 2 different ways to do this. If you got that, congratulations on getting your very first exercise in Excel correct. If not, don't worry, this takes a bit of getting used to, and we got it in the next one. Alright, I'll see you there.